Andariki Namaskaram. First of all, chala thanks for making Asura such a success. It's doing well, running well in the theaters. It's released over 500 theaters all over the world, and I'm glad that people are liking it. And I'm really excited to be a part of a project like Asura because it's a very different kind of a film. I had not done something like this before. My character is very different. What I'm playing the role of Harika in the movie, which is the lead, the love interest of Rohit in the movie. Something extremely different. Never played something so Indian before, so it's a very I wouldn't say de-glamorized, but very simple girl next door. So I had to really work towards picking up the Indian gestures and the Indian look. So you'll only see me in Indian clothes in the entire movie. She's very hyper, very excited. My character is very different from what Rohit plays. Like his character is very strong, powerful, very quiet. I'm very out there, jumpy, happy character. But I think it's balancing out our characters together, are balancing out everything. The chemistry in the movie. So basically, yeah, Harika is very close to my heart because it's first time I'm playing something so different, so cute, so bubbly. I'm usually used to playing a little more towards the glamour side, commercial kind of a character. And then working with Rohit was an absolute pleasure because Rohit is such a sweet, down-to-earth, humble guy, His character on screen is very powerful, very strong. He's playing this cop who's so egoistic and strong-headed. Whereas in person, in real life, he's actually very different. He's very sweet, very humble, very down-to-earth, and extremely cooperative on set. It's a pleasure working with him. It's so easy working with him. It's a very effortless actor. So, and that was an absolute, I think he's one of the finest co-actors I've had till date. And also about, Vijay, he's an amazing director. He's his debut film, but it honestly didn't feel like it's his first movie because he just seemed that he knew exactly what he was doing. Not even for 1 second he did not know what's going on. He was absolutely prepared. He was so dedicated on set, and he knew how to get the work out of his actors, which is very important for an actor. For a director. And I think he did a great job. He's written an amazing script. I think it's a very. I feel like the script is the hero of the entire thing because it's such a strong script, And the production house, Sham, and everyone has been extremely supportive on set. So I think overall, Asura is a team effort. I think we had a great team working towards a film. And I think we've done a good job because the outcome is in front of you. It's doing great. It's running well in the theaters. My favorite bit of Asura would be the music. I loved the music of Asura. I think when I first heard the title track of the film, I was blown away. I was like, wow, it's such a strong, the song goes with the feel of the movie, it's such a powerful song. And then eventually I heard the romantic song, Peru Teliyani is my favorite song in the movie. It's such a cute, sweet, romantic song. I think Sai Karthik has done a brilliant job with the music. I think each song is different from the other. Like Asura title track is such a powerful Damdar song, and then there's Peru Teliyani, it's a sweet romantic song, very cute, showing the moments between the two of us. And then there is the item song, which is, I think it's such a sexy number. I keep listening to that song. It's an amazing song. I think all of them are really good, and hats off to Sai Karthik for such a brilliant music. So overall, I think we have a brilliant, fabulous team who has put together such a great, movie, and I'm glad people are liking it. And if you haven't watched it, please go watch it at a theater next to you. Do watch it in theaters. Do not encourage piracy. Thank you so much.
सुबह में